What's up, people? Welcome back to EBIS Filing. Today's topic is a little off because we'll be talking about logo and logo design. So stay tuned till the end, and I'll tell you something about logo and how will logo design help your business. So since we're all smart people out there, we all know what a logo is. It basically identifies what your company shows, or it identifies your business or what your brand values. A logo design is all about creating the perfect visual mark of a company. Now, it really depends on the requirement or the need of a business. Basically, it consists of, let's say, a symbol, or it could be a brand mark, it could be a logo type with a tagline. Now, not necessarily every business or every brand has a tagline, but trust me, it helps. Now, when we talk about a logo design, we really need to talk about its significance and how does it play a major role to uplift your business. So, let's get into the importance and significance of a logo design. Now, a logo of a brand is the first impression that you create in the people out in the outside world. Basically, if let's say a person connects with a brand, he will see your logo and he will know what to expect from you. So in normal terms, a logo is not something very complex. It's just a perfect blend of design skills, creative theory, and skillful application. Also, some of the you might be knowing a lot of brands like, let's say, Nike or McDonald's. They've just thrown themselves into the market with all the simplicity they have. So it's not about making a complex logo, or bringing different angles into the logo, or bringing different aspects into the logo. It should be as simple as possible, but it should represent your business. A logo identifies key information about your business. It also invites new customers to your business. It will create a brand recognition and also will facilitate brand loyalty. Now, like I had mentioned earlier, that every business and every company have their own requirements and needs. Now, they select logo according to what suits their business the most. Some companies have a monogram, or some companies have a word mark logo. Some companies have a pictorial logo, or let's say a combination. So, example of combination logo, the best example is Amazon. We all know there's the concept of Amazon, which says that they sell every product from A to Z. They have a smile. So there are a lot of different concepts. So these are some of the types of logo. There are still many more, but these are some of the major types of logo that a lot of brands use. Now, here we talked about logos, different types of logo design, different types of logos, but it is also important for you to register your logo. Why? Now, let's say you spend a lot of money behind designing a logo or framing a beautiful concept, but if your logo is not protected, it is of no use. And that is the reason why you need to protect your logo by registering for a trademark. Along with this, we also need to understand the necessity of a trademark registration, or what is the importance of registering for a trademark. So, number one is it creates value for your asset. Number two, it protects your brand. Number three, it provides uniqueness to the brand. Number four, it is an easy communication tool because a registered logo speaks for itself. Number five is trademark is forever. Although we need to renew it after every 10 years, but once it gives an identity to the logo, it remains forever. Now, if you want to understand the procedure of registering for a trademark, we have already done a video on trademark registration. Why don't you head back to our channel and watch it? So that's all from my end this time. Although this was slightly different from all the videos that we already have on our channel, but this is something that EBIS Filing has started. So in case if you need any help related to logo designing, you can definitely get in touch with us, and we'll try and help you out in the best way possible. So for now, this is Aaron signing out. Goodbye. Take care. What is the importance?